Let's finish up this last example on 55. We've got B at the bottom to do. Again, we are going to solve this system of inequalities by graphing, and we're going to look for the region that both of these lines have in common. So here are the two lines. You can see one of them, this guy right here, he's a vertical line because he's an x greater than or equal to. So if you think of what x equal to -3 is, and we're going to draw that line and then decide which part of the coordinate plane to shade. So here's -3, 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be a solid line because it's greater than or equal to. So it's going to include all points, this graph is, on x equals -3, and we have to go graph the second line, but let's first figure out which part we're going to shade for the vertical line. So if I say 0, if I just pick the point 0, 0, 0, is 0 greater than or equal to -3? Well, yeah, it is, for sure. So that's going to be the part that's going to be shaded in red, and it's going to include all the ordered pairs, including the ordered pairs on the line that are on the right side of the vertical line. The second one, we'll do him in green, x plus y greater than or equal to 1. We need to get in the y equals mx plus b form. So y greater than or equal to minus x plus 1. So if we graph it, our slope is -1, and our y-intercept is +1. So here's +1 right here. And the slope is negative, so we're going to fall from left to right, and it's going to be 1/1. What's the matter with my pen? Come on. Oh dear. Here, now he's back. All right. Rise up, run, rise up, run, rise up, run, and we'll do a few down this way. And now we have enough. Again, you ask yourself, is it going to be dotted or is it going to be fully drawn? It's greater than or equal to, so this is going to be a fully drawn line as well. Both of these are this time. And the part of the quadrant that we're going to shade, 0, 0 is not on that line. He's just underneath. So again, I'm going to use that as my point. 0, is that greater than or equal to 0 plus 1? 0 greater than or equal to 1? No, it's not. So I am going to shade in green everything that's on the other side of the line from 0, 0. So that's going to be all of this. Now, if we go to identify our solution set in blue, obviously this part they have in common. Don't think that they have this little part up here in common. That's on the other side of that red line. He is not part of our graph. So our graph is going to be this. And it is going to include these points and these points and everything in that region. That's the solution set. Thanks for watching. We're moving on to 6B.